Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today's video I'll show you how we can use any kind of arm or wall mount with Redmi 1A or MM1 monitor. When I try to use arm with Redmi 1A monitor, I tried all kinds of procedure available at internet like Google, YouTube, and I didn't see any kind of videos or any kind of instructions. So that's why I thought I can make a video regarding this so that it can helpful for every one of you. So that's why I'm making this video. Before making this video, let's have a look how it looks like after installing on my desk. Let's have a look on it. I'm going to the main part of this video, and I think you guys enjoy it, and all those things that I applied, those are DIY method and it should be done by yourself. And if you open the back part of the monitor and you drill it, it will void your warranty, so you have to be careful before taking any steps. So to perform this job we have to do multiple steps to complete this. So let's start. So first we have to open the default stand which is arrived with the monitor when you have purchased. To do so we have to open all the screws by using the screwdrivers or the Allen key which is provided by the Xiaomi when you have purchased the monitor. And then after opening the stand we have to open the back part of the monitor by unlocking the plastic lock using pressure by a screwdriver. And then we have to open the stand mount using the screwdriver that you can see on the video, which is something stainless steel. We have to open this so that we can mount the Vesa which is provided with the arm to install it with the back part of the monitor. Now we have to open Vesa from arm so that we can place it at the back part of the monitor to measure the screw position for drilling. At this moment I am very sorry that I couldn't able to show you the measurement of the Vesa. So I think you guys are so smart and you can do it yourself, how you have to measure the screw position for drilling. Now I will drill the back part of the monitor by using a drill machine according to the screw position that I have taken all the measurement by using the Vesa. Now I will install the Vesa at first at the back part of the monitor by using all the screws that provided with the arm. So you have to keep in mind that when you will drill the back part, you have to be more careful because this is an ABS plastic and it can be broken anytime, and on that case you will be in trouble. Also, you have to remember that when you drill on the back part of this monitor, your warranty will be void. You have to keep in mind that, and I am not liable for this inconvenience. After installing the Vesa at the back part of Redmi monitor or MI monitor, we can use it with any kind of single arm or dual arm. So when the Vesa successfully installed at the back part of the monitor, we can join it with our single arm or dual arms. Before that, we have to install arm at table, and in this video I am not gonna showing the process of installing arm. So this method is totally a DIY method, and it's a little bit risky, so you have to do all those steps carefully, otherwise your product, I mean your monitor, can be damaged. So you have to be careful when you will perform all the steps in this video. After successfully install the Vesa mount at the back part of the monitor, we can fix it with our arm. This is how you can use any kind of single or dual arm or wall mount with Redmi 1A or MI 1C monitor. And I think you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or you are facing any problem, you can ask me at comment box and I'll try my best to help you according to my experience. Thanks and enjoy.